Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. So this is a really quick lecture. This is going to show you how to sign up to the AWS platform. If you've never been to it before, just go to aws.amazon.com. If you have never visited it before, it will say create an AWS account. If you have visited it before, it will say sign in. So go ahead and click up here. Your screen may look different. It depends on what time of year that you're viewing it. Certainly around summits, it will look completely different. I'm filming this just after reInvent 2018. So I'm going to go ahead and click create an AWS account. That will take me to this landing page. If you don't see something like that, if you see something similar to this, so it's asking you to sign in, just click here to create a new AWS account, and that will take you to the same landing page as well. So it says create an AWS account, and I want you to enter your email address in here. This email address is going to be known as your root account login or root account address, and you'll always need access to this email address, so make sure you don't enter in a false email address. In here, you just go ahead and enter your password and then go ahead and confirm it. And then down here in your AWS account name, I want you to enter something that's meaningful to you. So I'm going to call mine A Cloud Guru 2019. And once you've done that, go ahead and hit continue. Okay, it's then going to ask you for your contact information, change your account type from professional over to personal, or just make things easy for you because we're not going to use this as a production account. And then I want you to go ahead and fill in all your details. And once you've done that, click create account and continue. It will then ask you for your payment information. Go ahead and fill in your credit card details and then hit submit. So we now need to confirm our identity. What we need to do is just enter in this captcha code, so BNDFNB. So I'm going to enter that in here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on contact me. That's then going to give me this unique 4-digit number, and Amazon are going to call my phone. And all I need to do now is basically enter that in when Amazon call my phone, and that will then go ahead and confirm my identity. Once you've done that, you should be able to see the following screen. And here we go. So our identity has been verified successfully. Go ahead and hit on continue. We then have our support plans in here. So we've got 3 or 4 different types of support plans. We've got our basic plan, our developer plan, our business plan, and our enterprise level support. I would go ahead and click on basic. This can be a very popular exam topic, knowing the differences between the 4 different support levels. Essentially, if you ever ask for wanting a technical account manager, you're going to need enterprise level support, and you have to be spending $15,000 a month in order to get enterprise support. So go ahead and click on basic. That will then load this screen saying, welcome to AWS, and you can personalize your experience. I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and sign into the console. So click into sign into the console. And there you go. You are now registered with AWS, and you're able to sign into the AWS console. And you will need to be able to sign in to do the rest of this course. So go ahead and sign in, and let's move on to the next lecture. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, feel free to move on to the next lecture. Thank you.